Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert SD card into this device. Now, before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, staying on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have your power and volume buttons. As you can see, it's right here. It's cut out. So using the tool, you want to push it in there. And you can see that the tray comes out enough for you to be able to grab it and yank it out. Now, for me, this tray has a little bit of a fill right here, so I cannot insert a SIM card in here. I can only insert SD card from the bottom of it. Now, there is a chance that there is an LTE version of this tablet which would support SIM cards, or maybe they don't have it and just using the same tray from a different device that they produce that is basically fitting here. But obviously this device that I have right here doesn't support LTE, so it's filled up with this. So anyway, that being said, we can just insert our SD card at the bottom. So I'm going to grab it. We insert it with the chip side up. It clips into place, so it shouldn't fall out when you flip it over, and it should be flush on the tray, as you can see, so it shouldn't be protruding anywhere. And then insert it back into your device. And the card should start working right away, which you can see is already working, as we have this little notification right here. And when we pull down our notifications, it should give us somewhere, oh, there we go, a message SD card inserted. So it is functioning. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.